India plans to offer subsidies of up to 30% of the production cost of electric ambulances under the PM E-Drive scheme to boost local manufacturing. The government has allocated 500 crore rupees for e-ambulance deployment as part of the scheme's 10,900 crore rupees two-year budget. Performance and safety standards for eligible e-ambulances are being developed by the ministries of Heavy Industries, Health, and Road Transport. Subsidies, linked to battery capacity, will support patient transport, basic, and advanced life support ambulances. India aims to promote EVs for advanced ambulances and hybrids for patient transport. With 86,000 ambulances nationwide and 25,000 procured annually, the initiative draws insights from global e-ambulance operations in countries like the US, UK, and Germany.